Today we're going to take a look at what I think is one of the best and most efficient USB-C hubs out in the market right now. So what we have today is a very special device sent to me by a company called Minisopuru. This is their 118G USB-C hub. It's a USB-C hub specifically designed for data transfer, and it serves as an extra power supply device. The company that makes this is a new startup. They've got an array of high-quality devices just like this, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check them out. But as I said, this USB-C hub is specifically built for data transfers. It's compatible with flash drives, hard disk drives, or any other USB-C Type-C device in your workflow. What's really cool about this is it expands a single USB-C port into 4 USB-C ports, which transfer data up to 10 gigabits per second, which is 20 times faster than USB 2.0 in case you didn't know. Now the delivery port here on the front is cool because it allows power output up to 90 watts to charge either your laptop or another tablet or mobile device. An important thing to note when considering this hub is that it doesn't support external displays. The strength in the 118G is its ability to serve devices that lack the extra I/O ports to suit your workflow. And I have just the device that I decided to test it on, like the M2 Touch Bar MacBook Pro. If you're a fan of the Touch Bar but disappointed in the performance of the Intel chips, then this upgrade is just what you need. The trackpad still delivers great responsiveness, the battery life has improved, but unfortunately this laptop still only has 2 Thunderbolt ports. So should you decide to upgrade and purchase it, you might want to consider getting the 118G hub alongside it. And since this is a USB-C connecting hub, it effortlessly works great with my laptop. Once I plugged it in, I have now 5 USB-C ports that I can use to attach other devices that fit my needs. And I have to compliment how small this is. So when I'm using my laptop paired up with both my external mouse and keyboard via Bluetooth, the 118G doesn't take up a lot of room. It's helping me to achieve that minimalist look that everybody loves. So for its size and price point of $40, this hub presents a lot of value for the right person, because it not only serves as a data connection point, but remember you can also charge devices as well. And being the experimentalist I am, I wanted to test if the hub could be used to reverse charge, meaning using one device, like my M2 MacBook Pro, to charge another device, for example my iPhone 11. And as you can see, it worked effortlessly. I wasn't getting any kind of pullback or any kind of lag in charging the devices. Once I plugged it up, it was super simple to get going. Because that worked so well, I wanted to test how compatible the 118G was with tablets. So here I've got my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, which too has a single USB-C port that works with both power and data transfers. I already knew that if I needed to use this as a hub, I could transfer files back and forth, but I wanted to see if an Android device would reverse charge my iPhone. Using this hub, and to my surprise, that was a success. So to me, this hub is awesome. With it, I can now have an extra emergency source of power for my phones if the need should arise, which makes this a need in my book. I'm not too disappointed that it doesn't support displays. Minisopuru does have other USB-C hubs in their inventory that do that and everything the 118G does, but what makes this hub unique is it being great at doing exactly what it's meant to. And knowing that, there's nothing for me to complain about. I like this for what it is. The build feels premium, and as their first device in Minisopuru is released, I look forward to seeing what they have on the horizon. So guys, that's it. I want to hear your thoughts. Let me hear what you think about using something as this to fit inside of your workflow. Be sure to check me out on Instagram and Twitter, as well as Minisopuru's website right below the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, stay safe. Peace.